So when I look at an alarm, I need to remember that any host service or threshold alarm can become an incident, and then those incidents can contain multiple alarms. So you can see in this screenshot example here, I've got a router down, and I can see that I've got a couple of devices behind that router that are unreachable as a result of that problem. So those will show up as related alarms, but they all show up as one incident, which means one set of actions will be taken. And you can define exactly what kind of actions you want to take for any given incident. They can include active response, things like executing scripts on devices or sending out notifications via APIs or emails or pagers, or there's a lot of different things you can do as a result of an action, but the actions are tied in at the incident level. You can also manually create your own rules to forcibly correlate alarms together. So for example, if I wanted to say, anytime I have a bandwidth alarm at this remote site, any latency alarms that happen at the same time are actually just related to that bandwidth problem, and I already know about it, and I've got an upgraded circuit on order, so I don't need to know about them, just cluster them into the same incident. So to summarize, alarms can come from any number of sources within OmniCenter that go through that incident processing logic, which can include manual rules as well as implicit rules, things like, is the host up, are the parents of the host up? And then that will create an incident that contains all the related alarms. That incident will then drive actions, and those actions can include notifications, active response, PowerShell scripts, all that kind of stuff.